As I've said in my previous videos, the Stimmy money is still on and popping. Now, before I move forward, this information varies by state. I will put your state's link in the description for you to check out and see what money is available in your state. So this is from a lender that I know in my area. When I help people buy homes, she actually sent this over, several of these she posted on her social media also. This is just the CD, the closing disclosure, or the HUD from people buying homes. And as you can see here, this person right here got $195,000 in down payment assistance from the DC government. Okay, so this particular program is in DC. Again, every state has a very similar program. I'll put the link in the description. But as you can see here from looking at this, she got the HPAP down payment assistance. So that totaled up to $153,000 in down payment assistance. She was also a first responder. Okay, first responders, a lot of times, whether you're a police officer or a firefighter, you can get down payment assistance to purchase a home. So she got, or whoever this is, got $30,000. And then the funds were matched again for $9,000. Now in DC, this $153,000 that this person got to use as down payment assistance, it does not have to be paid back until the home is sold. Now, again, every program is different. In Maryland, you don't have to pay the money back. You just have to hold on to the home for a certain amount of time. You don't pay any interest or any fees on the money. After a certain amount of time, the money is 100% forgiven. And also, the other part of this that a lot of states have is something called tax abatement. So when you have a mortgage, you also have to pay taxes. Well, in DC, if you get into these programs, you don't have to pay taxes for the first 7 years. The city actually pays your taxes for you as a part of being a first-time home buyer and buying using these programs. Now, this next person, they purchased a $440,000 home. They got $206,000 in down payment assistance that is pretty much deferred until it's time to sell the home. Tax abatement, again, so they do not have to pay the taxes on the home for up to 7 years. And then the tax payments kick back in. They have a $440,000 home with a $1,600 a month mortgage payment. And they only had to put down $825. I just wanted to just show this to you all because yes, the stimulus money is on and popping. It has just shifted to a different part of the economy. It is no longer in unemployment. It is now in real estate. And every state has access to this money, but it's allotted differently. So in the state of Maryland, they'll pay off your student loans. They'll give you the money for the down payment. They'll give you the money for the closing costs, and it is all forgivable. Versus DC, well, they'll give you the money and you have to pay it back. In most programs, you have to pay it back when the home is sold. So when the home is sold, it'll come from the proceeds. It doesn't actually come out of your pocket. Like I said, I'll put the link in the description for your state. Every state has some form of what they call DPA, and you can use these funds to put yourself in a better position.